My favorite game, football. Football, often referred to as the beautiful game, is my favorite sport. It is a game that combines skill, strategy, teamwork, and passion, making it thrilling to both play and watch. The simplicity of the game, requiring only a ball and a few players, is what makes it universally loved. Whether played on a professional field or a dusty street, football brings people together, transcending boundaries of age, culture, and nationality. What I love most about football is the excitement it generates. The adrenaline rush when a player dribbles past defenders, the tension during a penalty shootout, and the joy of scoring a goal are unmatched. Football teaches valuable life lessons such as teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. It is not just about individual talent, but also about how well a team works together to achieve a common goal. Watching football matches is equally enjoyable. The atmosphere in a stadium, with fans cheering and chanting, is electrifying. Iconic players like Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo inspire millions with their dedication and skill. Football is more than just a game. It is a global phenomenon that unites people and creates unforgettable memories.